Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Realme phone automatic switch off on Realme C51 device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First step, you can turn off the schedule power on or off by doing the following method. Okay, open settings menu on your device. And then here you can select schedule power on or off. And then you can turn off the settings here. Okay, and then the second step is you can use the default theme on your device if you are applying the other theme like this. Okay, just open settings menu on your device. After that, here you can type on search column default home. Okay, and then just tap on this option and activate this one to recover your default theme. And then, the last step is you can do a factory reset to your phone. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix Realme phone automatic switch off on Realme C51 device. Don't forget to subscribe for more information from this channel. Thank you.